What's up, guys? Camden here. Oh, shoot. I just messed up the part over here. So, you may hear one of the big cubes. 6x6. This one's mass produced by Mayu Meilong. This is a Mayu Meilong 6x6 V2. This is my Dean Shing Mini 7x7. I have the other 7x7 that's bigger than that, which is mass produced by Mayu Meilong also. This cube turns so great. This is the 8x8. I have other 8x8, also mass produced by Mayu Meilong. This one turns better. This is Mayu Meilong. That's Mayu Meilong Namanan. So my Mayu Meilong 10x10, or Meilong, the 10x10 mass produced by Mayu Meilong. It's my 10x10. This is my world's first big cube. I got this for Christmas of the end of 2022. End of 2022 Christmas. This one's this Timothen's 3 years old. This is my Mayu Meilong 12x12 that I got for Christmas of 2022. End of 2022 Christmas. One of my top big cubes. It's one of my second big cubes. This one's 3 years old also. This my biggest puzzle is the Mayu Meilong 13x13. It's my 13x13. I had it solved yesterday, but I scrambled it. They're no looking 29x29 by using this. Yeah, by using this. I don't know what is this called. It's my biggest in my end puzzle. So I'm gonna do it. I'll show you a new big puzzle. Our world's smallest big puzzle by using this. Alright, I'll pause it and tape it up. So you may have heard of the fake 29x29 or the world's biggest scramble. So I showed you in that video yesterday through this one that looked like a 29x29, 29x29 looking. And here's the next puzzle looking like the mini 19x19, mini magnetic 19x19. Mini 19x19 looking. Start one turn. There we go. Then another turn. There we go. Looks like the mini magnetic 19x19 Rubik's cube. Looking like the world's biggest mini puzzle. So let's put it in the checkboard pattern. So here is in a checkerboard pattern. Right now I'm using this one. I'm using the DN Shang Magnetic 7x7 through this one that looked like a mini magnetic 19x19. I'll put it in a super flip pattern. I'm going to show you now. Here it is, the super flip pattern. Looks pretty cool. That looks too much. So on to the next big cube. Wait a minute. It's scrambled already. Let me do that trick. There we go. That's better. This is my fake. Looking like this is my fake. Wait a minute. 13. Wait a minute. 13 by 13. Again, fake one. Again, not again. Aw, man. Let's go back to original Caroline. So, okay, let's move this out of the way. This is my world's biggest in my end puzzle in my collection. Oh man, not again. Scrambled already. No. Well, that was a joke. Here it is the second thing. Actually, it's Trouble in 13 by 13. I still not want to hear that 6-7 joke in my comments. There's the actual 13 by 13 in this one. In this one, using the 6x6 look like 13 by 13. And here's the actual 13 by 13. It is already scrambled. I'll try solving this one day. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. See you next time.